Hello, everybody.
Go in the shower.
So if you ever,
You know, because I gotta put my saying about SONATA on. Huh? Nothing? I'm recording. Yeah. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a waxing video. It's been a while since I did a waxing video, so let's get back into it. If you like my lip, please shop on my website, www.mazinabySonata.com. Link will be down below. Let's get started. So I purchased this. Waiting for the quiet. So I purchased this on Amazon. It's the Regalico waxing kit, a wax warmer kit, and it comes with the warmer. It comes with some sticks. It comes with the hard wax beads, which I already put in there. I put the whole bag because I did like a little tester and I did like a few beads, and it literally was not like, I could barely pick up anything on the wooden stick. So I was like, you're definitely gonna need a whole pack to do what you need to do for this. And in this case, I'm gonna do my underarms. I attempted to wax my but it didn't work. So no. The wax box also comes with 3 extra bags. So you have, I guess you have a good few. I think you can get like maybe, let me see, because I put it in 2 days ago. Maybe you can get your wax on. It should last. I mean, but if you want to like renew it, you clean it out and then just like, you know, do what you gotta do. But, you know, I feel like this will last me a little while. If I feel like it's getting too, you know, nasty, I'll change it. But yeah. So like the first time I used this much, like right there, and then I was like, no. But this time we're using the whole pack. So I put it on the highest setting because I needed to melt the beads. And they say that you put it on the temperature depending on how many beads you put in.
What?
You was just all talking about my video. I think because it depends on how many beads you put in, and in this case I put a lot of beads in, the whole pack to be exact. So yeah, I have it on the highest setting.
Hello, everybody.
And this is what it looks like. I'm pretty sure it's pretty hot. I'm going to lower the temperature though, because I don't think I need it that hot. I just need it hot enough to, you know, melt the wax beads, but I don't want to burn my skin. So yeah, make sure that you like do a little test. And when I mean like little, I mean like really little. You know, take it, roll it. I'm gonna do a little swatch on my hairs right here. It's pretty warm. Pretty warm. Let that dry. It also came with these two. This is the pre-wax and then the after wax. Yep. I think I'm gonna use the pre-wax. I don't think you need to, but I mean, I'm gonna do it just to be safe and rip. I don't have that much hair on my underarm, so I mean my arm, so it doesn't really hurt. Powder would be good, but I'm gonna go with the after wax. Doesn't smell like anything. Oh, and oh, it's hot. It's hot. I missed a whole patch of hair right there. You know you done fucked up. Oh my god, it's stuck. Oh my god. Got my underarms, huh? Holy shit. Oh. Ah. Oh, it broke off, but look how much hair came off. Can you come over here and rip it for me? I'm sweating. Just, I'm not prepared. Oh my god. Come here. Wait, ready? Let me feel you hold it. Wait, don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Oh, no, you can't pull it like that. You gotta rip it. You can't just pull it.
You see it? Alright, come on, I got you. I'm gonna just rip it.
Okay,
You gonna rip it?
I'm gonna rip it.
Yeah, all like
10.
just one. 10.
9,
All right, wait.
6,
Skin off. Wait.
5,
Wait.
4, 3, 2.
10.
I can't see it.
Are you looking?
Yes, you let go of me.
No. Wait.
Oh, man.
I'm gonna try. Oh my god.
I got you. You didn't get me over here for 9-1. Do it now.
No, because I don't trust it.
Come on.
Oh my god. Woo. Oh! Dad, do it. What?
Let go of it. Yo.
Yo.
Can I try now?
What?
That was a tough one. Here, you can do the little ones. You gotta rip it.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's like 3 hairs. All right, come on. 1, 2, 3, rip. Ooh.
That's easy, man.
Okay, guys, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. I just applied the after wax spray. It's more like an oil just to get all the residue off. And look at my underarms, they look nice and cute. Okay, yes.